Sir, I rise to oppose the railway budget. I must say that this was a very disappointing budget. We thought that Pawan Bansal has no constituency. He has no state to cater to. Like earlier ministers, he will present a favorable, balanced budget. But unfortunately, it seems that he has been brought to this post just to increase the burden on the common people. He earlier increased fares by 21% and raised 6,600 crores. Again in this railway budget, he has increased charges for reservation, cancellation, Tatkal by another 5 to 6%, thereby trying to raise 600 crores. Railway, sir, is the main carrier of the country, and there we see that he has increased the price of cost of transporting diesel, kerosene, LPG by 6%. This will make this item even costlier, only to raise money. Sir, that's why I say this is a pedestrian budget. I expected that Mr. Bansal would present a vision of railways for the next 10 years, like Mamata Banerjee had presented a vision 2020. There is no vision in this budget. Sir, countries are built on the railway system. America, Canada, and now China is being built on their railway system. Like India, we have failed because in 65 years after freedom, we have added only 10,000 route kilometers to make it 65,000 kilometers. Now look at Brazil, how they are expanding their rail network. Being a large country, that's how economic prosperity travels to the hinterland. But here, Pawan Bansal has no such intention other than raising more money from the railways. He should have been an accountant instead of being the railway minister. He has no vision how railways should go. Look at the Japanese bullet train, Shinkansen. In the last 17 years, there has not been a single accident on Shinkansen, though it runs at 250 to 300 kilometers per hour. Now they have introduced magnetic levitation technology, maglev, where the wheels do not touch the rails. We have not talked about China was 20 years back, 15 years behind us. Now it is 40 years ahead of us in railways. Where is the railway minister's vision of a future? If you go to Tokyo, sir, over the central station there is a 20-storied house. We have not thought of building world-class railway station. There is no mention of a vision for the future. That is why I am disappointed. Sir, one of the major reasons of congestion on our freight routes is the archaic signaling system. You see, in airports, plane take off and land within a spell of 1 minute. Here, one train passes, then the signal becomes green, then after 20 minutes another train will pass. Our lines are getting clogged. He has not talked of modernizing the signaling system, connecting the whole thing by optical fibers, so that the chairman railway board sitting in his chamber would know where which train is moving on a moving boat. No thought of modernizing the railways for the benefit of the people is there. Sir, the way railways are going, how will we transport food? Lines are clogged. How will you ensure food security? The way railways are going, I do not know whether they will be in a position to pay bonuses to 14 lakh employees in the current year. In spite of all the money, he is trying. The tracks, the rolling stock, the platforms, the terminals, all of this need modernization. Now, how can we get money? Yes, gross budgetary support has to be increased. But if we can reduce operating ratio in the railways, you can get money from the whole world. Look at the metros. The different cities, metros are being built. Japanese JICA is giving money for metros, even for Delhi Metro. The rails could have. We are getting money for the dedicated freight corridor between Mumbai and Delhi. Money is not the factor. The factor is whether you will modernize the whole structure. You still have a railway board. It is a presentation of the British system. We don't need a railway board. If all the ministries can run with one secretary, why do we need a railway board? Railway board is only so that they have bungalow peons, big bungalows, and bungalow peons can serve their officers of the wives of the railway officers. They hold on to archaic principles, and that's all. Rail is not going forward. Pavan Bansal has said that as a frequent traveler on railways. Where does he travel, sir? He travels between Delhi and Chandigarh on Shatabdi Express executive class. And he has added one Anubhuti class for greater comfort for his travel. Has he ever travelled by local train? Come to Kolkata. In my constituency, go from Shialda to Barakpur. Human beings are herded into trains like cattle, and there is no relief for them. He has said that he will only add 18 suburban trains, 72 to Bombay and 18 to Kolkata. Why? Kolkata should have had more suburban trains. He is not thinking of that. Sir, unfortunately, this railway budget is a budget to kill Bengal. You may have an anger, you may have an issue with TMC. We left your government. But why penalize the people of Bengal for that purpose? I'll give you an example, sir. You'd be astounded. Kolkata has so much population that the suburban railway is not being able to carry the load. Mamata Banerjee, as railway minister, had announced a series of metro projects connecting the center of Calcutta to different parts. I will now, sir, quote the figures to show how this railway budget is an attempt to kill Bengal and Kolkata. He should not travel to Kolkata. Angry people may show black flags to him. Look at this, sir. There is a line, extension of metro railway, Damdam Baranagar, Noapada to NSCBI airport. 3,040 crore project. Only 30 crores have been given. That means it will take 100 years to complete the project. Kolkata circular, Damdam cantonment to NSCBI airport. 573 crore project. He has given only 24 crores. Is it arms? Joka to BB Debug, 2,619 crore project. He has given only 45 crores. Noapada Barashat via airport, 2,394 crore project. He has given only 170 crores. Boranagar Barakpur to Barakpur and Dakshineshwar through my constituency, 2,069 crore project. He has given only 10 crores. If I was not democratic, I would have sat in hunger strike in front of this room the way he has deprived the people of Calcutta for having good transport. East-West Metro. Sir, when we are in the urban development ministry, this project was under urban development. 80% of the work overhead is complete. It is a 4,874 crore project to be funded by JICA. You know how much money he has given? 100 crores. How will the project ever get completed? It will take 48 years to complete this project. I have never seen such a cruel joke on the people of a state. Sir, Bengal had some no railway districts. Mamata Banerjee had tried to give projects. Lakshmikant put to Namkhana, 546 crore project. He has given only 5 crores. All this money, projects were sanctioned, put on the pink book. And for 3 years they had budget. Now they will get 5 crores. Tarakeshwar Vishnupur, very important, no railway line. 1,500 crore project, only 20 crores. Tarakpura Sarif, 527 crore project. He has given only 2 crores. Hashnabad to Hingalganj, to right in Sundarbans, 260 crores project. He has given only 10 crores. What a cruel joke on Bengal this is. Now again, Mamata Banerjee had announced some factories. Noapada Metro Coaches Repair Workshop in my constituency, 147 crores. He has given only 1 crore. Dankuni factory for manufacture of components for EMD locos, 265 crore project. He has given only 19 crores. Kachrapada, new rail coach manufacturing unit, 864 crore project. He has given only 2.94. Haldia, factory for diesel MUs, 122 crore project. He has given only 10 crores. Then again, on Southeastern Railway, Mamata planned a railway line through Jangal Mahal, Maoist infested area, Bhadutala to Jhargram, via Lalkot, right in the heart of Maoist area. He said 289 crore project. This cruel railway minister has given only 1 crore. Joke on the Maoist affected people. On Tamluk Digha, 1,075 crores. He has given only 15 crores. And Digha Joleshwar to Odisha, connect West Bengal to Odisha. It's a 553 crore project. He has given only 1 crore. Howrah to Furfura Sarif, biggest Muslim pilgrimage, 535 crore project. He has given only 4 crores. It's the cruelest joke on the people of this state. Look at how trains have been deprived. Sir, survey for new lines, 59, none for West Bengal. Gauge conversion, 5, none for West Bengal. Doubling, 25 surveys, none for West Bengal. New lines, 7, none for West Bengal. Doubling, 10, none from West Bengal. Electrification, 5, none from West Bengal. 25 new projects on socio-economic consideration, none from West Bengal. New express train, 67, only 4 from West Bengal, 1 bi-weekly and 3 weekly. What a joke on the people of Bengal there. But it is not. The joke is not on West Bengal. The joke is on all the states. When the railway budget was presented, UP members stood up. They said, we are against this budget. The Bihar members stood up. They are being discriminated against. Maharashtra, Sharad Pawar himself complained at UPA meeting that Maharashtra was totally unhappy. Now who has Pawan Bansal made happy? People of 2 cities, Delhi and Chandigarh. So this is not a budget. This is a tale of 2 cities. Then he is a pious man and he has to pay obeisance to the Pope. That's why Raebareli, after it a factory has been promised, again another factory. There is the Pope of congressmen stays in Raebareli. POP. Now Raebareli to Amethi, doubling is announced.
Please conclude. Please conclude.
क्या हो रहा है सर? आप भी सोचिए.
नहीं सोच रहे हैं. समय सोच भी रहे हैं और समय भी देख रहे हैं.
Khunti, Jharkhand state, next to us. You have also been deprived, sir. You should sympathize. That there is no justice in this. There is no vision in this budget. Only what it will do, it will add to inflation, increase prices.
Please conclude.
Increase.
Please conclude.
Increase.
Please conclude.
Sir, last point. First, I'll finish. Sir, all railway ministers in this country, many of them were great men. One was Jagjeevan Ram. He announced that all Panipat, the station, would be Dalit. He would be breaking untouchability that way. Madhavrao Scindia, who died, introduced foil bags for railway food. Sir, Madhu Dandavati, as railway minister, introduced cushion. Previously it was, please I'll speak of, previously it was all wooden. He introduced first cushions for trains in second class. Sir, think Lalu Yadav also first time gave status to coolies, which was mentioned. Sir, Mamata Banerjee allowed Ijjat tickets for 25 rupees to poor people, gave MPs the right to really travel cheap. And she gave Duranto Express, where a second class was attached for poor people. And she gave, Lalu gave Garib Rath, Mamata gave Duranto, and Mamata gave a Vision 2020. This is a budget without, and Pavan Bansal, sir, which class is he catering to? He is saying that there will be an exclusive lounge in Delhi where the rich can sit, and there will be exclusive lounges. Sir, railway is the only mass transport in the country. 2 crore people travel on railways every day. Those who are rich can travel by plane. For the poor, there is no other transport. The way he is taking. Sir, be kind. 3:30 बजे आपको कमरा में मीटिंग में जाऊँ.
खत्म कीजिए ना.
1 मिनट टाइम दीजिए.
बहुत हो गया.
सर
बोलने देंगे और लोग बोलेंगे ना, बहुत लोग का नाम है ना.
सर हमको
आप बोलिए खत्म कर देंगे.
शास्त्री को भूल गया. शास्त्री रिजाइड over a railway accident at Allahabad. Now in Kumbh, 10 people died. The railway minister does not talk of resignation. There are no Shastris, no Jagjeevan Rams any longer in this country. There are no principles. How many people died? 17 people died. Minister does not talk of resignation. They died on the platform of Allahabad station going for Kumbh, for a Shahi.
Honorable member, please conclude.
Sir, इसलिए ये बजट में कमेंट करने का कुछ नहीं है. ये बड़े लोगों के लिए बजट है. ये एंटी पीपल बजट है. ये पश्चिम बंगाल को मारने का बजट है. ये आम आदमी का नहीं है. ये बड़े लोग जो शताब्दी में अनुभूति क्लास में जाएगा, उसके लिए बजट है. इसको मैं पूरा तौर से विरोध करता हूं और आशा करता हूं आप भी मुझे समर्थन करेंगे.